Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and today I will show you how to set up and enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And quickly start, pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is right here on the second page. So once you find it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here we have a bunch of things we can customize, as you can see. So we have the Do Not Disturb mode toggle as in itself, so you can turn it on and off from here if you want to, but you can also do it with the toggle itself. We have for how long, so whenever you tap on the toggle, it will either turn it on until you turn it off, so you have to tap it on it again. Or you can set it up for a specific amount of hours, so it will run for, as an example, by default 1 hour, but you can add more if you want to. And then ask every time, which will bring up this window every time you tap on the toggle to turn it on, which in my opinion is one of the better options here. Then we have a schedule, so you can set it up so it turns on and off at a given time and day of the week automatically. Really nice option here. And then exceptions, which actually gives you the customization over this function. So allow calls, messages, and conversations from basically everyone, no one, contacts, and favorite. You can choose whichever one you want for each one of those. And then with a little bit of a difference just for calls or repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, and the second call will go through normally as though the Do Not Disturb mode isn't turned on, and it completely bypasses whatever the option right here is. So if you turn this on right now, no one should be able to call us, but if they fit in that 15-minute period, they will call us no problem. A good option for emergencies, what I would consider. Then below that we have alarms and sounds, so just what kind of sounds and alarms can go through and if they can even go through. And below that we have applications, so you can choose which kind of applications can give you notifications during this mode. Additionally, you can also display how notifications will show up, so if they make noises, if they don't, if they show up as a banner or not, and so on. Now once you set it up the way you want to, you can leave this and simply turn it on from here whenever you want to, like so. And as you can see right now, right at the top, it is turned on. And once you're done with it, you can then tap on the toggle again if you want with the until turn off option, or even if you want with the specific timer one, you can still turn it off at your will whenever you want by just tapping on it again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.